Hello students, how are you? Hope you are fit and fine. So today we are going to discuss the advantages and limitations of DBMS. So the very first point is reduction in redundancy. The word redundancy means the duplicacy or the multiple files in the DBMS. So actually we need redundancy in the DBMS because we need the duplicate data in the DBMS so that if the original file is deleted, then we can recover the data with the help of duplicate data. So we don't completely remove the redundancy in the DBMS, but we can control on the redundancy, because if we need two multiple copies of the same data, or if we have 8 or more than this, so we can delete the extra multiple data in our DBMS. So we can control on the redundancy. We can reduce it easily with the help of DBMS. So the very first point, as we have discussed, the reduction in redundancy. The reduction means we can control it. It doesn't mean like we completely remove the redundancy. It doesn't mean like that. We can control on the duplicate data in the DBMS. So this is the first point. After that we have, so the second point is improved inconsistency. As we have discussed the reduction in redundancy, so we have reduced the multiple files, so now it is easy to improve the inconsistency, because inconsistency is caused by redundancy. Because if we have a multiple files which is not needed by the user, so to manage all the unwanted files, it have the overhead, so it makes the inconsistency in our system. So as we reduce the redundancy, so it is automatically improves the inconsistency inside the DBMS. Because if we have a duplicate files, or if we have to manage all the files which is not needed by the user, so the obviously inconsistency will be more. So we can improve the inconsistency with the help of reduction in redundancy. All these 2 points are related to each other. So the third one is, the third one is improved availability, and the fourth one is improved security. The third point, improved availability, means the data is available 24/7. Like whenever the data is needed by the user, it is given to them. Because the availability is not just a restricted time of period, a day or a night. Whenever we have our DBMS, or we manage the data with the help of DBMS, so we have the availability of data the 24/7. Whenever we need it, we can simply type some query, we simply write some lines, some coding inside the DBMS, and we can simply retrieve the data whenever the data we need from the database. So simply it means, improved availability means we have a 24/7 availability of our data. Whenever we want to retrieve the data, we can do it easily. So the fourth one is improved security. It means like no unauthorized person will access our DBMS, access our data which is stored inside the DBMS. So only the authorized person who have the ID and password given by the DBA, the database administrator, only that person, that authorized person, can access the data inside the DBMS. So obviously the improved security is done. So as we have discussed, the first one is reduction in redundancy, the second one is improved inconsistency, the third one is improved availability, and the fourth one is improved security. All of them are very easy points to understand and to remember. So the fifth one is, so this is the last point in the advantages of DBMS, user friendly. So DBMS is so much user friendly because whenever we need the data, it is 24/7 available, and it is very easy to use. Once we can get trained by someone, the DBA who is created the database, or any uh, training we have regarding the DBMS. So it is very user friendly. We can do many things inside the DBMS. We can simply insert, we can simply update, or whatever the task we want to done inside the data, or how much time we want to manipulate the data. It is simply easy, or whatever we done inside our data, or how we can manipulate data, it is very easy to done in the DBMS. So the last point is user friendly. As we all know, the what is the meaning of the user friendly, as you all know the very well, like it is very easy to use by every user who have a little knowledge of the DBMS. So that's it. We have successfully discussed the advantages of DBMS. In the next video we will discuss the limitations of DBMS. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel to get more videos, and comment if you like the video, or if you want to contact me regarding these topics or any other query you have, you can contact me with my WhatsApp number I have given in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye guys, take care.